first day of travel, December 16, from Cotabato to Manila, and tomorrow we will be flying from Manila to Kuala Lumpur for the benchmarking in Malaysia.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Good evening, Bangsamoro. Nakikita niyo po ngayon yung bahay ng Prime Minister ng Malaysia. Ayan po. So, tingnan ninyo, napakaganda. Lalo na paggabi. And that bridge, ang ganda ng bridge. How I wish we can have like this in the barn in the future, inshallah.
Sa messenger mo send sa akin.
So, nandito kami nakabilet sa Putrajaya Zenith Hotel Putrajaya. Ito po ang Putrajaya sa gabi. And itong lake dito, nakikita nyo, may tubig, may lake, man-made lake po ito. Napakalinis po ng Malaysia. Yun yung una ninyong mapapansin for those who haven't visited Malaysia yet. Napakalinis ng Malaysia po. And very disciplined yung mga tao. Maybe one of the factors kung bakit successful sila dito is that the people are very disciplined. So ayan po, nakapokus yung bahay ng Prime Minister ng Malaysia. Ang ganda. So this is the man-made lake. Well, very maintained ang kanilang kalinisan. Ayan. So I just want to share this view. Napakaganda ng view. Ayan po. Okay, so assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala once again. Kabangsamoro, ito po ang ating last day of stay here in Zenith Putrajaya Hotel. This is the view of Zenith Hotel. Yan po, Zenith Hotel Putrajaya, Malaysia. Ito pong Putrajaya is the center of the government of Malaysia, situated in Kuala Lumpur. Ayan. Yan po yung Putrajaya Masjid Mosque. Napakaganda ng masjid na yan sa loob. Napakalinis. Naka-barefoot lang po ang mga tao dyan. Pagpasok mo, magbe-barefoot ka. Pababa ng masjid na yan, doon po ang ablution area at yun po ay naka-barefoot ka lang. Napakalinis po. And ito po yung Prime Minister's house. Yan yung bahay ng Prime Minister. Tingnan niyo po. Ayan, ang ganda. Para lang siyang castle. And then, yan. So, may bridge tayo dito na paggabi, as in super amazing ang different color na pinapakita niya. Sa ngayon, hindi ko pa alam anong name ng bridge na to. Pero aalamin ko bago tayo mag-leave ng Kuala Lumpur. Dapat malaman po natin. So, itong mga building na nakikita nyo po, ito po ay mga apartment, mga condo for the government employees po dito sa Malaysia. Dito sa Pilda po, not Pilda, dito sa Putrajaya, yung mga government employees po nila ay nakakondo po. Nakakondo sila lahat and may mga malls dito sa loob. Isa na po doon yung One IOI Mall na although medyo mga expensive yung mga item dahil mga boutique po siya at mga branded yung mga item na mabibili mo doon. So yan. Lahat po ng buildings na nakikita ninyo ay government building. Itong Zenith Hotel. Ang ganda rin itong Zenith Hotel. Okay. So entering the Putrajaya Mosque. Magsasambayan po tayo dito ng Zuhur. And currently naririnig niyo yung azan. Welcome to Malaysia. Putrajaya is the center of the government, Malaysian government. all offices, all government offices ay nandito po.